If you've been using Linux Mint 22.3 Cinnamon with the default setup, you're missing out on one of Cinnamon's best features, Applets. The Cinnamon Spices repository contains hundreds of them, and a few have become favorites among Linux Mint users because they solve real everyday problems. Community discussions regularly mention applets like Cinnamenu, Weather, Multi-Core System Monitor, and Sensors Monitor among the most useful additions for Cinnamon desktops. Today, I'll show you 9 applets that are actually worth installing. The first applet is Cinnamenu. This replaces the standard Linux Mint menu with a more modern and customizable version. Applications are easier to find, the search feels faster, and the layout is cleaner. Many Cinnamon users install it immediately after a fresh installation and never switch back to the default menu. Next is Weather. Instead of opening a browser to check the forecast, the current temperature and weather conditions are always visible on your panel. A single click gives you detailed forecasts for the next several days. It is one of the most commonly recommended Cinnamon applets for daily use. Third is Multi-Core System Monitor. If you like keeping an eye on system performance, this applet is excellent. It displays CPU usage, RAM usage, network activity, and other important information directly on the panel. You can instantly see what your system is doing without opening System Monitor. The fourth applet is Sensors Monitor. This one focuses on hardware temperatures. You can monitor CPU temperatures, motherboard sensors, fan speeds, and other system readings. If you edit videos, run virtual machines, or simply want to monitor hardware health, this applet is extremely useful. Number 5 is Workspace Switcher. Linux Mint supports multiple workspaces, but many users forget about them. This applet places your workspaces directly on your panel, allowing you to switch between them instantly. It helps keep your desktop organized and makes multitasking much easier. The sixth applet is Sticky Notes. Sometimes you just need a quick reminder. Maybe it's a terminal command, a video idea, or a task you need to finish later. Sticky Notes keeps those reminders available without requiring a separate application. It has remained popular among Linux Mint users for years. The eighth applet is Collapsible System Tray. If your panel is becoming crowded with icons, this applet helps keep everything organized. Less frequently used icons can be hidden and expanded only when needed. Your desktop looks cleaner while still keeping all functionality available. The ninth applet is Download and Upload Speed Monitor. This applet shows your current internet speed directly on your panel. Whether you're downloading Linux ISOs, uploading videos to YouTube, or troubleshooting network issues, having real-time bandwidth information is surprisingly useful. And finally, Screenshot plus Record Desktop. For content creators and tutorial makers, this applet provides quick access to screenshots and recording functions directly from the panel. It saves time and keeps recording tools within easy reach. The reason these applets stand out is simple. They don't try to completely reinvent Linux Mint. Instead, they improve small parts of your daily workflow. After installing a few of them, Cinnamon feels more personalized, more productive, and much more powerful. If you're running Linux Mint 22.3 Cinnamon, open the Applet settings, switch to the Download tab, and start exploring these applets. A few minutes of customization can make your desktop feel like a completely different operating system.